got a double smasher, guys. And that is just my middle name. Cheers, guys. Bruh! Bruh! With the mozzarella. Guys, what's up? What's up? What's up, guys? What is up? Sheesh. And we have another video today, another different kind of video. We'll be doing the Oscars recap. I'm sharing my thoughts while we eat Sonic, alright? So we got the double smasher, and I just added jalapenos, and a crunch wrap, a Southwest crunch wrap, small chicken bites, mozzarella sticks, medium fries, and a hot chili cheese dog. Damn. Hell yeah, hell yeah. Come on, guys, you know what we're about to do. We're gonna jump into the food, and then we'll talk about the Oscars recap. Oh, and that, I added this groovy sauce. Hell yeah, groovy sauce. My groovy sauce. I haven't been in Sonic in such a long time. I feel like I say that about every place, and it's like, it sounds cap. But I swear, guys, I haven't been here in a while. Honestly, I think I'm gonna go to my mozzarella sticks. Let's see. Look at this, guys. A lot of people get the mozzarella sticks. I never had them before. Hopefully they're banger. Alright, guys, cheers. Bon apple teeth. I didn't get that cheese pool though. It's banger though. It's banger. How are you guys? How are you guys, huh? Thank you for joining me today as always. As always, I love having y'all here. And I hope you guys keep enjoying my videos as always. Sonic. I was like, why not? You know, Oscar recaps scream Sonic to me. I don't know why. I was like, I haven't tried it in a while. So I was like, why not? You know, why not? You got a double smasher, guys. And that is just my middle name. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, guys. Alright. We're gonna jump into this. Looks pretty good. 1, 2. Okay. I fucks with it. Okay. I'm gonna try the groovy sauce. Yeah, no. With the chicken bites. It looks so cute. It looks so little. Sorry, guys. We gotta dig in more. We gotta dig in. God, it took me a while for the groovy sauce. And I tore it apart. Ugh. Ah! Alright. Groovy sauce, everyone. Groovy sauce. I don't want to spill, but groovy sauce, everyone. Groovy sauce. Alright. What'd you guys think of the Oscars, huh? Honestly, before I take this bite, I'm about to say a hot take, but I feel like a lot of people would agree, just in case if it is. I think this has been the best Oscars in a long time, in a while. I haven't enjoyed it this much, and I haven't felt like... I think this is the first time I felt like every win was I was satisfied. Every nominee that I wanted to win won. Like Sean Baker took four that night. What a dog, honestly. All right, let's go in. Indeed groovy. Damn, this looks fucking... It almost looks fake. That's Southwest. Sorry about that, guys. I had to eat this one. It fell. As I was saying, the Southwest Crunch Wrap. I was like, why not? I'm gonna try it. It was kind of random. Wasn't planning on it. I was like, why not? Alright. This is like it's the best part to bite. What are you thinking? Is it this side or this side, guys? It may look perfect on this one, but this one I feel like is like, you get down to the nitty gritty, you know? To the nitty gritty.
Let's get down to the nitty gritty.
Alright, cheers, guys. Bruh! Sorry about that, guys. Oh my god. I've just been clumsy today. Honestly, solid. Solid, that was pretty good. Alright. I'm gonna talk about the best and the worst moments of Oscars 2025 recap, alright? Actually, I just want to start off by saying that, like, Conan was the best host I've seen since Ricky Gervais, honestly, if I mess up that name, I'm sorry. But Conan, I didn't know what to expect when that was kind of a, I didn't realize that he's never hosted the Oscars. And I was like, this is his first time, that's crazy. I'm down. I don't know what to expect. I don't watch Conan a lot, but when I do, I enjoy it. So him hosting the Oscars I think was an interesting choice, and then I saw the whole thing and I'm like, damn, it was honestly the best. He was freaking hilarious. He was out of pocket that night for sure. Like, drank and like he just looked like he was having such a great time. I mean, starting out with that joke that I was like, oh my. It set the tone. Was the Emile Perez, you know, he called out the actress Carla Gascon. Oh my god, the publicist joke. I was like, that's crazy. That's a crazy joke. Oh, I was like, all right, cool. Honestly, valid. I already think it's the best just from that joke alone. And they weren't afraid to pull punches. And then when they were cut her to when there was like a cut to her reaction. It was crazy, like, the controversy, yeah, like, you know, we all know the controversy, but I would have been so embarrassed. I was like, no way, no fucking way. I'm like being exposed right now. Let's try some fries, guys. That's where it came with the groovy sauce. So let's see, maybe it's a match made in heaven with the groovy sauce. Okay. And you can't fuck up curly fries. I mean, like, oh my god, I forgot about the hot dog. Alright, guys. God, why am I struggling today? It's crazy. Maybe it's the weather. Honestly, disclaimer, if you like hear like wind, like harsh wind, it's where I'm filming this is pretty like, it's dusty outside. I'll put up a clip. It's like Dune out there. It's crazy. You can see, guys. Look at this. Oh my god. Look at this, guys. That's crazy. It looks monstrous, but it's gonna hit. All right, guys. Cheers. Why do I say cheers after every bite? I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry if that's like annoying. Okay. Honestly, my favorite so far has been the burger and the Southwest Crunch Wrap. And hot dog's pretty good. Like, first place, burger, Southwest, second, chili, third, alright? Oh, Adam Sandler. When he came on, I was like, oh, cool. Like, okay, I wonder what this bit is gonna be about. Hilarious. Like, such in his, you know, he was in his element. The physicality, his tone, the way he uses it in his comedy movies, like, funny. I mean, I grew up with Adam Sandler, so of course I'm gonna be biased. And I'm like, oh my god, it's that guy, man, it's that guy. He was like almost everyone's kind of dad, funny dad or like funny uncle. And I'm trying the groovy sauce with the mozzarella. I don't think I'm gonna have any cheese pool. Honestly, mozzarella's kind of banging right now. Or maybe it's just a shit ton of seasoning. Double smasher, guys. What I really loved this year was how they introduced the costuming and like makeup. Like I love that. Like it brought recognition to every nominee. I was like, that's really cool of them. Like it just makes your work meaningful. When they went with every nominee, like it was just like the shot was on them, and like everyone was just having like just great words to say about them and their work, and just the way they introduced them was so amazing. And I'm like, yes, bring recognition to everybody that goes into filmmaking. Yes, the whole process, everyone deserves that shout out. It's not just about the best picture or like the best actor, it's about everyone behind the camera. And so that was really cool. They made my heart warm. This looks like crap on the inside. It's good as hell though. It's good. I think it has like ranch chicken. It has like ranch chicken, cheese, and and some tortilla strips. Oh my god. Sorry, my dog barked. I mean, again, to mention again, Anora won five Oscars. That is crazy. Best Actress, Mikey Madison. Best Editing, Best Picture, Best Writing. To the man, the myth, the legend, Sean Baker. Honestly, congrats to them. Congrats, like they all deserve it. I love that movie, and yes, I will make a video on it. I'm gonna have to watch it again because it was during a busy time and I got caught up with other things. So yes, expect a review of that movie soon. All of those categories that they won, I was like, yes, Anora, yes. I mean, I was in between Anora and The Brutalist, but Anora getting them, you know what? Yeah, like I think that makes sense. Give it to them, right? Hell yeah, you know. Honestly, not gonna lie, I was this close. I was this close to betting. You know, like I've been seeing those like websites of like, you can place bets on anything, of course, and the Oscars being one of them. I was like, I had never thought that was a thing, but that makes sense. And for a fleeting moment, I was like, you know, I'm gonna sign up. Let me win this parlay. You know, like oh my god, like Uncut Gems. You know. Oh, that's a very good movie too. Talking about Adam Sandler. But yeah, guys, I was very, very satisfied with this year's Oscars. It was lit. This was busting right now. Okay, we gotta jump into the worst moments. Okay, I think the biggest one that was like, oh, this would have been a perfect Oscars. It was really good. Again, I'll stand by that. But I was like, oh, there was a cringy moment. No, damn it. You know, like I thought we were gonna get away with this. It was the winners for I think best song, and it was Emily Perez. And there was a guy, this guy and this girl like being so cringy. They were singing their, you know how they play the music when it's like, okay, like rush your speech, or like, oh, like moving on to the next one, you know. They like were singing their tune off with it. Like if they were trying to like, it's like if they were trying to hide their embarrassment of like, oh, like they're cutting us off. I was so cringe. Oh my god, I was like, oh, you guys are like 40. Like, are we still allowed? Are we still excusing cringiness at that age? Are we still justifying it? Yeah. I think if you're cringe and you're like 40 or 50, I think you should be arrested, honestly, just for our citation of being cringe. Oh my god. Yeah, this burger's hitting, guys. It's like the Taco Bell burrito, low-key. Very similar. Oh. That was gonna happen again. Burrito gone at the corners. Ever since the Oscars, I've been thinking about that moment. It's so cringe. Oh my god. Where honestly, one of the memorable things for me also was I forgot, and I was almost this close to forgetting. It was the Bond when they were honoring all the Bond music. It was sick. It started with Margaret Qualley like dancing, beautifully choreographed, and then I don't know who went first. It was Doja Cat or Lisa from Blackpink. I just discovered that. I haven't listened to their music, so I'm not gonna cap on that. And I forgot, and Ray, you know, they all did like different Bond songs, and they were all amazing in my opinion. I know people are saying that like Doja Cat's was like bad, and I'm like, no, like you get up on stage at the Oscars and sing a song, you know, of course the nerves are gonna hit you, but she still sounded great. Like, I don't know, I think y'all tripping. Yeah, like that was really cool. I just felt chills with everyone singing their song, singing their part of the song. It was amazing. All right. Skyfall, still one of the best Bond songs for sure. That one and the Billie Eilish one, the most recent Bond movie. That chills with the trailer. I love trailers, by the way. So seeing the Skyfall trailer and the No Time to Die, those trailers are oh man. I'm that guy that wants to be there for the trailers. I'm sorry. I know some people like want to get there just as soon as the movie starts, but for me it starts off with like from Nicole Kidman's iconic commercial, and then the trailers, like, yes, I eat that shit up. Ooh, this is the thumbnail right here. Okay. I'm gonna bite the back end of it. What? I'm just kidding. Oh, okay. Now the jalapenos are kicking in. Need some water. Absolute gas, guys. Sonic. You know, I was gonna get their Ocean Breeze water because it's lit, but I was like, no. I gotta drink water. Gotta be a healthy king, you know. Gas, guys. Woo. Really good. I was gonna. I had a thought. I forgot. What I was gonna say. Oh. For best actor, that was the one that was kind of scared about it because I was like, please, Adrian Brody, and he won. I was like, oh yes. But like Vince Carter in that meme where he's like, you know, that's how I felt. That's how I felt like. And then Best Picture being Anora, that was a huge significance. That's a huge accomplishment. The message of Anora winning Best Picture was independent film is more important than ever now. So hell yeah. Like, he was able to prove that he won Best Picture, Best Editing, Best Writing, Best Director. Oh, like, that was just amazing. And especially me, myself, being also an actor myself and filmmaker, that was so refreshing. I just felt so inspired and got me motivated. I was like, yeah, let's make art. Let's keep making art. We will be seen. Like, us artists, we will be seen. Hell yeah. And especially that, like, I myself went through, you know, an experience last year on a feature film, independent. I met some of the best people on there, and we made a movie. We made a whole movie, and right now it's in post-production. Of course, I gotta give it a shout out. Sunset Memory. Here's the Instagram. Please check them out, guys. Please support us. You know, as we're giving updates and we're giving little teases, little previews of the film. But it's well underway, guys. That hit another chord when he won. I'm like, any reminder to confirm that it is possible, that your dreams are possible. So thank you, Sean Baker. Thank you to everyone. Hell yeah. The Anora crew, y'all deserve it. There you go. Oh, I'm gonna put this in the groovy sauce. Looks crazy. That looks kind of gross. But it's good. It's good, guys. Ah! I'll put it on top. Alright, cheers, guys. I can't remember when was the last time I truly enjoyed the Oscars. I watch it every year. It's my Super Bowl. But I'm always left with some kind of disappointment, some frustration. I'm like, ugh, I don't agree with that win or whatever, you know? Alright, guys. I'm gonna kill this. I don't know if I'm gonna kill it right now. Okay, one more. Woo, I'm getting there, guys. I think it's the last burger. It's the last burger. Oh, the tail end of the burger. I gotta eat that and then I'm gonna call it. No, I'm gonna call it. I do that a lot. I know in every video I'm always like, I wonder how many times if somebody's down to do it. Like, I'm not gonna do it. That's a lot of work, but I just know I do it too much. I take a shot every time I do that. I'd be in the hospital. Alright, this is it, guys. I just did it. This was absolute blessing again. Alright guys, that's it. I'm done. That was crazy. I'm so full, oh my god. But as always, thank you for joining me. Wait, let me end this off on a conclusion. Best Oscars yet, and Coney should keep hosting, honestly. I think next year's is gonna be as good as this one. So, can't wait for that. Thank you guys for eating, watching, supporting me as always. Please follow Sunset Memory. Follow me on my socials. They're in the description down below. And hope you guys have a good day and a good week. Alright. Thank you guys again. Oh my god. Deuces.